Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your first time here. I'm Faren. I do all types of natural hair videos, so if that's your thing, please be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Now, in case you didn't know, the dude just dropped some more new products on us. A deep conditioner, because that is what Fred lives for. Not only did I pick up Woah, which is the new deep conditioner, I went ahead and picked up the sucker free shampoo because it's not new, but it's new to me, and I figured I would just make a wash day out of it. And I also picked up the Big Papa defining gel, so if you would like to see a video on that, please comment down below and let me know, and I will do like a first impressions for y'all. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this wash day. So the hair that I'm starting off on is currently pre-pooing. My hair felt kind of dry because the products that I used to style during my last wash day just weren't it. Let's get into this shampoo. Now, I loved how thick it was. I love the pearlized look at it, because typically when you see shampoos with that type of texture and that pearlized look, they are very moisturizing. Now, their website says the sucker-free moisturizing shampoo is a one-of-a-kind shampoo that cleanses hair while providing the ultimate hydration. Safe for color-treated and chemically treated hair, as well as all hair types, this moisturizing shampoo also protects hair from heat and sun damage with shea butter and sea silk to leave your curls feeling clean and soft. This shampoo, I would say, definitely was one of a kind. It says apply to wet hair, lather, rinse, and repeat, and there was no need for me to repeat. A little bit goes a long way. I got a little excited at first and I used way too much on the first half of my hair. And as you saw in the second part, I didn't use as much, and it was definitely still enough shampoo to go throughout the entire half of my head. It didn't give me enough slip to detangle with, which is perfectly fine with me. I don't look for that in a shampoo, but you know, it's a perk if you can detangle, but if you can't, it's not the end of the world. But this absolutely cleansed my hair. I mean, my hair was spotless, I felt, just after one lather and rinse. There was no need to repeat. And my curls kind of felt like there was a cast on them, and I'm assuming that's from the shea butter that's in the product. I won't say that it helped moisturize my hair. I honestly didn't like the way that it felt, but it wasn't horrible. My hair didn't feel completely stripped or dried out, so I guess you can say it was a moisturizing shampoo. Just, you know, I wouldn't put this on my favorites list. So now to the star of the show, we are going in with the Woah Deep Conditioning Mask. And let me go ahead and show y'all this before I get too into it. Do y'all see that? There are like black specks on the inside, and I don't know, away from my tendrils that are in here, but I honestly don't know what they are. If someone from the Dude Does sketch this video and you can tell me what those little things are, I would highly appreciate it, just for my own knowledge. But it didn't bother me. I just wanted to know what it was. The smell is kind of fruity. The deep conditioner is thick, but not too thick. I like the consistency. It says that Woah penetrates beyond the cuticle to optimize moisture retention, improve elasticity, and melt away knots. Developed at the DOUX'S salon and tested on every hair type, this intense hydration treatment is specifically formulated to reduce comb out by eliminating snagging and friction. Woah leaves hair buttery soft, bouncy, and tangle free. Y'all. Let me tell you one thing I did love about this deep conditioner, and that was the slip. Like, I would definitely say the wetter your hair is, the better it works, but yet and still, the slip on this deep conditioner is really the star of the show. It glided on my hair, ends to roots so nice without a tool, which I love to see. And they suggest for optimal penetration, you know, to sit with a heat cap or under your hooded dryer or under a steamer for 15 to 30 minutes. And of course I did that. I wanted to sit under my steamer, but I didn't. But I did wear my heated cap for about 45 minutes, and listen, definitely penetrated my curls in coils. So I know sitting under the steamer will definitely take this up another notch. My hair did soak the product up, which is something else that I love to see. It wasn't too heavy, it was just right. I really like this deep conditioner. I can't really say there was anything wrong with it. All in all, I would say this was a good wash day. I enjoyed both products. If I had to choose between the two, I would definitely get the Woah deep conditioner. And that's really it, you guys. Like, I wouldn't say that I was absolutely wild by the moisturizing shampoo. I can't say that I hate it, I just didn't really love it. Woah deep conditioner was good for me. Nothing to write home about, but I thoroughly enjoyed it. Like, it did exactly what it said it was going to do, and that is always a win in my book. The 8-ounce container was $14.99. I believe the shampoo was $12.99. But let me tell you the funny part about it. I went online and looked at the 16-ounce container on the DOUX'S website, and it said it was $100. And I don't know if that's a joke or what, but why would the 16-ounce container be $100? I don't know. Fun fact, I guess. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Do you plan on trying this deep conditioner? And let me know down below, and let me know what you thought of my results. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all so very much, and I will see you tomorrow in the next one.